I've just opened up the box for the MANSPOT men's trimmer. I mean, men and women, let's be honest. But I just opened it, like I said. It was sent for my review, and I am pleasantly surprised. I can't wait to show it all to you. This thing feels great in my hand, by the way. It is silky smooth. It's light. It does charge with its proprietary charger that does come in the box, obviously. But yeah, like I said, it's silky smooth in the way that it feels, the way that it's sealed as well, because this thing can get wet as well, which I like. I like using this in the shower or even in the sink, but like, I mean, I'm just out of the shower, just before the shower. Things are going to get wet. I don't mind this getting wet because it can, which is nice. It's got one button alone, the on and the off, and you are good to go. Just under the button, and I'm going to show that to you just like this. Under the button, you actually see those three lights. It tells you the battery level, of course. But check how smooth that is. You could see it through the screen. I bet you can. It comes with the guard, the 1.5 right on top, but I want to show you what it actually looks like, because look at these. That white kind of guard there is what is needed for you to not get nicked and cut, basically. And this goes really, really close. Look at this. We're going to go right here. Look how close that's getting. Super close, and there's no way I'm getting nicked. Like, never in 100 years am I going to get nicked, which is great. So even if skin goes on there, I mean, you can see the little hair that it actually cut. Pretty cool. It is extremely sharp, yet safe to use for that delicate skin as well, which is great. And there's a really cool little bag, and I'm going to show that to you a little bit closer as well. That bag actually has all the guards. So all the guards that you would need. Let's open it up and see. Let's see how is it easy to open? There it is, right here. And yep, you do have, of course, like I said, the charger right here, USB to their proprietary charger, and then you've got all the guards that you would need. I see one here that's oh, that's pretty cool. It's dual side guards, so you don't need as many. So I've got the 3, the 1.5 that came with it, and then that's really cool. Let me read it. This is a 6 and 3, so 6 and 3, and this is a, what is it? I barely can read it. 12 to 9. Look at that, 12 to 9. So you've got one side, depending on which side you want to use it on, and then let's see how easy it is to actually, oh, okay, I see. Just like, let's work it. There it is. So it doesn't slide in, it actually clips in just, and then you've got 2 kind of little notches that you need to align, and then you're good to go. Now I've got it on the 12. Really, really cool. Yeah, so like I said, MANSPOT that sent this for my review. I'm pleasantly surprised. The other thing that you have to notice as well is I can pop this out, and it does have kind of a little, you're not going to lose it. It just pops out, and then you can clean the inside, and then do provide you with a little brush to clean the inside. But yeah, this thing feels great. It's easy to use, and it looks fantastic too, which I think is important in a men's or women's bathroom.